I am Jodu. Jodu said I'm a teacher. And your name is? One more time?
My name is William.
This is William. William Tiehm.
My name is William.
William is one of the strongest and bravest people that I have ever met. He's gone and endured a few surgeries in his life. What did you like most about school, William?
I have a good day.
He likes to have a good day. Pretty much had a good day almost every day he's been here. We went horses, and he went to swimming, cooking, music. He likes coloring. Yes, he loves art. He loves artwork. We made the artwork behind us. He likes coloring. He likes to do things
I do like coloring
with his reading and math. I don't think we could have picked a better candidate. He is so much, in my opinion, the embodiment of Picollo School. I think one of the greatest things I can say about William is that I've always felt he makes our school a better place. I'm sure going to miss him.